In this video, I'll show you how to make a light follow an object in Blender, and this is very useful if you're customizing the lighting of your scene and you want to make the lights always point at the focus object. So recently I was working on this Christmas snow globe artwork and I wanted to add these area lights and kind of rotate them around so we get those really cool reflections there on the glass. So first you can go to the add menu, you can go down here to light and add any light here. I'm just going to choose an area light. So what we're going to do is select the light and we're going to go here to the constraints properties. We're going to click on add object constraint and we're going to click on track to, and then we're going to click on the eyedropper here and we're just going to choose the focus object. And now whenever I move the light, it's always going to be pointed at the snow globe glass. So I can now just move this around here, kind of stick it over here so we get those really cool reflections there on the snow globe. Let's go to the light settings and maybe I'll turn the power down so it's a bit more subtle. And then I can also scale the light if I want to. I can make it smaller and bigger. If I want to move it forward and backwards, I can also hit G to grab and then just hit Shift Z to exclude the Z axis. And I can now just bring it forward and backwards. So I can bring it kind of here on the front to have kind of that big reflection there. And I'll hit Shift D to duplicate, just duplicate the light. Let's bring it back here. So to bring it back, I'll hit G to grab. I'll hit Shift Z to exclude the Z axis. So I can just bring it back on the X and Y, and I'll bring the light behind the snow globe. I can also take the shape here and change it to rectangle just to kind of drag out the shape there so it's more long. And you can see we have these really cool reflections there. And every time I duplicate the light is going to have the same constraint on the light. And if I'm maybe doing like an animation or something, if I move the object that they're being tracked to, the lights are also going to move along with it. So that's very useful if you're moving the object in your scene, but you still want the lights to be pointed at the object. And this is also really useful if you are animating lights in an animation. So you can see I have a keyframe right here at the beginning, and then over here at the end I have another keyframe, but I didn't have to animate the lights rotating. I just added a keyframe here, moved the light over and added another keyframe, but the light is always going to focus on the object. So I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching. And if you'd like to watch some more of my lighting videos, I have a lighting for beginners tutorial which you can check out linked in the description, and I also have a video which covers all the different 4 types of light objects and how to use each one. But I hope you found this helpful and thank you for watching.